Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are looking for a breakfast that feels like a tropical vacation but is actually super healthy and easy to make, you are in the right place. Today, we're making my absolute favorite mango chia seed pudding. It's creamy, it's packed with flavor, and the best part is, you can prep it ahead of time. So, on those busy mornings, you can just grab it and go. Let's get started. First up, the star of our show, the mango. You'll need about 2.5 to 3 cups of fresh, ripe mango, all cubed up. The riper and sweeter your mango, the better this pudding will taste. I always sneak a few pieces while I'm chopping. It's the chef's privilege, right? We're going for that vibrant, sunny flavor that just screams tropical paradise. Now, to make this pudding incredibly creamy and decadent, we're using 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. That's about 13 to 14 ounces. The combination of mango and coconut is just a classic. It's a match made in heaven. It gives you this rich, satisfying texture that's completely dairy-free and vegan. Next, we're going to combine our mango and coconut milk in a blender. Just pop all those beautiful mango cubes in and pour the entire can of coconut milk right over the top. Now, this next part is totally optional, but if your mangoes aren't super sweet or if you just like a little extra sweetness, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of your favorite sweetener, maple syrup, agave nectar, or even a little honey if you're not strictly vegan would work perfectly. I'm going to skip it today because my mangoes are perfectly ripe and sweet on their own. Okay, let's blend this up. You want to blend it until it's completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps. Look at that gorgeous, sunny yellow color. It already looks amazing. The smell is just incredible. It's like sunshine in a blender. Now for the magic ingredient that turns this delicious smoothie into a pudding, chia seeds. These little guys are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s. They are what will thicken our mixture. We're going to use about 9 to 11 tablespoons. If you like a thicker, denser pudding, go for the full 11 tablespoons. If you prefer it a bit looser, 9 will be plenty. Pour your blended mango and coconut mixture into a large bowl or a pitcher. This just makes it easier to stir. Now, gradually add in your chia seeds while whisking continuously. It is really important to whisk well for a minute or 2 to make sure there are no clumps of chia seeds. We want them to be evenly distributed so our pudding sets up perfectly without any weird dry spots. Once it's all mixed, let it sit on the counter for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then give it one more good stir. This little trick helps prevent all the seeds from settling at the bottom. Now for the easiest part. We just have to wait. Cover your bowl or pour the mixture into individual jars or glasses. I love using little glass jars because they're perfect for meal prep. They look so cute, and they're ready to grab and go. Once you've got them portioned out, pop them in the refrigerator. They need to chill for at least 4 hours, but I honestly think they're best when left overnight. This gives the chia seeds plenty of time to work their magic and absorb all that delicious liquid, creating that perfect, thick, pudding-like consistency. Alright, it's been a few hours, and our mango chia seed pudding is ready. Look at that. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's holding its shape beautifully. This is the perfect consistency. Of course, we can't forget the toppings. This is where you can get really creative. I love to add some more fresh, diced mango on top for a little bit of texture. A sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes adds a lovely crunch and enhances that tropical flavor even more. You could also add other fresh fruits like berries, some crunchy granola, or a handful of nuts. The possibilities are endless. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness, that is so good. It's so fresh, creamy, and satisfying, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. It's the perfect healthy breakfast, snack, or even a light dessert. You get that sweet mango flavor, the richness from the coconut, and that fun, tapioca-like texture from the chia seeds. It's honestly one of the most delicious and simple recipes you can make. So there you have it, a beautiful and healthy mango chia seed pudding. It's perfect for meal prep. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, and it is absolutely delicious. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your favorite toppings for chia pudding? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks so much for watching today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and healthy recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.